Oh boy, do we have a gorgeous 1968 Chevy Camaro piece of candy. That's what it looks like, a piece of wet candy. It's beautiful. Ground up built, really nice custom interior. Under the hood is a new crate blueprint 396 small block engine, putting out about 509 horsepower and about the same in torque. And we have the dyno sheets. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. Look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on all of our cars for sale, along with an easy monthly payment. We also have a Buy It Now button. I highly suggest you hit that button if you see a car that you really like. Get it locked in before someone else beats you to it. If you enjoy the video, subscribe, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. There's the star of the show right there. This thing is beautiful. I'm very impressed by it. So the body was done about 10 or 15 years ago, actually 2011, so 12 years ago. And it looks like it was done yesterday, so that says a lot. They did replace a lot of the sheet metal, so there's no rust in the car. So we'll start at the top, absolutely straight. No issues. I don't see a crack. You know, this is a problem area. I don't see anything. This car is mint. All of this is straight. I don't see shrinkage. I don't see bubbles, rust, damage. Lines up nice. Got the rear spoiler. The body is mint. No issues on this side. All of this is just clean, pristine metal. Lines up beautifully. Even the windows line up nice. Shuts like a new car. All of this fits beautifully all the way down to the bottom. It's smooth, straight, fits real nice. That's a metal cowl hood. The body's excellent. Same thing on the other side. It's Merlot red metallic with pearl white stripes. They're painted on smooth to the touch. And you almost got to be here in person to really see how beautiful this color is. But it's all laid out evenly, not blotchy, not cloudy, not cracking. It's not shrunk. There's no fish eyes. I mean, I'm sure if you look hard enough, you can prove me wrong. There might be a little something somewhere, but I'm telling you, this is a show quality paint job. Just looks amazing. So just to be sure, we'll double check this side, but it is straight, clean, all fits real nice. Door opens real easily. Shuts like a new car. So the paint is gorgeous. All the trim looks like it's been replaced. The emblems, all the stainless is straight and shiny. The door handles, marker lights, bumper, tail lights, all that stuff looks like it's been replaced. You probably noticed there's a dark tint on the windows. The windshield was replaced. Oh, here's a little, that's not even a touch-up. It's like a little stain, a little tiny little spot. I thought it was a touch-up. It looks like a stain. See the Chevrolet locking gas cap? I thought that was cool. So the tail lights are new. Tires and wheels were just bought recently. The stance on this car is nice. I can tell when I was talking about the roof, it's like down here, not up here. But check out the tires and wheels. They're 15-inch chrome Cragars that sparkle like jewelry, and look how wide they are on the back. There's some meaty BF Goodrich tires on the back of this car with the big shiny wheels. I think that just gives it a nice, tough look. Up front, the emblems, the grille, all that's new. It does say 396. It is a 396 small block. So let's open it up. I got a lot more great stuff to show you. All right, this trunk compartment's even beautiful. Look at the bottom side of this trunk, look polished and painted, as slick as the car. The jam, same way, a little dusty. The beautiful new weather strip. So it's got a tub here, just some miscellaneous extras, some touch-up paint and plug wire holders. The inside is all nice, clean metal. It's been spatter painted and then clear coated, so it's nice and durable. With the taillight housing, the wiring, everything is just clean and tidy in there. I think the glass might have all been replaced, to be honest with you. The glass is really nice. Door jambs are painted real nice. Weather strips were replaced. Door panels, armrests are new. They're black. You have to look for them, but there's billet window cranks and handles, if you notice them. And inside the car is mint. The dash pad's new. Look at the knobs, the vents, the plastic, the gauges, the lenses. All this is just pristine and clean. Does have a couple aftermarket oil and water pressure gauges nicely mounted here. Retro stereo, has an auxiliary plug and Bluetooth. Heater controls look new. All this looks new. This all looks clean. Kick panels look new. Interior lights work. Carpets are real nice. You have the 68 Camaro mats custom made. The whole center console looks new with the horseshoe shifter. And then this here is an aftermarket. It's wrapped in leather, has a cup holder, nice armrest. I like this. And then you have these Pro Car sport seats. They really hold you in place. So when you're out carving up the curves, they're going to hold you in place. And it has the dark red piping that I like. Matches the car. It has seat pockets too. So the back seat is all reupholstered, and they even put the red piping to match the front. Billet handles, the side panels are new. All around the back window is really nice, has 6x9 speakers. The headliner is nice and tight. Dome light works, visors, the mirror, they've been replaced. Steering wheel looks new, it's on a tilt column. Even down low, the pedals, the dimmer switch, everything I'm looking at, the pillars going up the windshield. The interior is mint in this car. Yeah, them Cragars sparkle. So Blueprint Engines, that's a new engine, a new block. It has their name right on it. Blueprint, right on the block. Blueprint, right on the aluminum heads. So it's a new crate engine. You buy it completely assembled. It comes with the dyno sheet. So it's a small block engine. Somehow they made a 396 out of it between boring and stroking. It has a lot of powder-coated parts. Aluminum Edelbrock and Edelbrock valve covers. They're all powder-coated black. It has a big dual-feed Holley with electric choke. Premium fittings and lines, HEI ignition in back, set of headers. Everything's neat, tidy, clean, painted. So the whole front of the motor has the billet brackets and pulleys with the serpentine belt. The mini compressor and the alternators aluminum. All this is powder-coated black. It has the 605 power steering. And in front it is an aluminum radiator with electric fan. It has a nice filler panel here, looks nice. Then we got power brakes. And again, just take a second, look how nice and neat and tidy. Even under the hood is painted. The latch is chrome. Got good oil pressure. Two comments the owner made to me. One, it never runs hot. And two, he goes, did you close those doors? He goes, them doors shut like brand new. Tell you, this is one of the good ones. It just fits, feels, functions like it should. Oh boy. I'm just liking this car more and more as I'm looking at it closer and closer. It's a good one, folks. Whoever gets it's going to be happy. So underneath the car's all been redone. It looks like it's all rust-free, clean, dry metal. Front end has been gone through and rebuilt. It has an aftermarket sway bar. Actually has coil-over adjustable gas shocks. And back is a 4-link system. It has tubular control arms relocated. Has a panhard bar, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. has disc brakes in front, drum in back. The lines, the e-brake cables, they look like they've been replaced. The exhaust is just a few weeks old. It has Flowmaster Series 10 mufflers. It sounds great. It has some nice turn down tips kind of hidden up underneath there. You look up at the motor, it still looks brand new. The oil pan, the bolts, everything on the motor is clean. High torque starter. It's a performance-built turbo 350 automatic. It has a reverse manual valve body. Drive shaft is rebuilt. In back, the 10-bolt has 373 posi gears. So all the components underneath there were redone. They look neat and orderly. Clean, solid floors. Go to volocars.com. That's where the salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this to your driveway, how to get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.